Closely connected to inflation and interest rates is the third topic that was of major interest last year. Russia invaded Ukraine in February of last year. It's actually crazy if you think about it, right? That a war in the Ukraine has an impact on the German real estate market. But that's apparently the world that we live in. So tell us a little bit more in detail. What was the exact effects of the war in Ukraine on the German real estate market?
Yeah, I mean, supply shortages like poor import, poor export, even the material prices, they were not able to arrive on time. Based on that, of course, the 30% of the construction have stopped or have been cancelled. So this was a main factor. Also, in the same time, the prices for renovation and material costs increased, which is the after effect of that. Also, the energy prices, they increased.
A lot.
I mean, everyone is familiar with that right now. Everyone gets their bills at the end of the year. And this is also an after effect from, unfortunately, of the war. So even that, you really have to, if you're purchasing a property, you really have to look into that as well. Because Germany is reconstructing all this energy debate, right? So this is also a very important topic. But of course, the prices have risen. Also, construction prices have risen, so even that. But one of the most important things is we also having a lot of refugees here in this country, right? So I believe there are right now about 1 million.
Yeah, a little more even, yeah.
Oh, it's a little bit more?
A little bit more, and next year they think it's at least 1.4 million from Ukraine alone.
There you go. I mean, that's a lot, right? And
they need to live somewhere, yeah? Exactly. They need health insurance, they need something to live, they need food, yeah?
Exactly, and this is the main factor. They need a roof over their heads, they need to eat, right? And everything what is covered up. So what does it mean? These people are also gonna stay here in this country. Maybe most of them are not gonna go back to their country because it will take some time even to kind of rebuild that country again. So we talked about this number about the 400,000 homes we're missing in Germany. It might be even more next year, right? It might be even more because we having also some, so much refugees here. And this puts also, again, pressure on the existing real estate market that we really need home. And there is a huge demand on this, right? Up to 48%, rentals increasing by 3.4%. It's a huge demand. And also, at the same time, the government is rewarding you when you're creating space. Mm-hmm. So even, let's say the material prices go a little bit down, the government will reward you on that. They will give you all these tax benefits and everything else. So it's still a great profit what you do. I
mean, the government can't create these 400,000 flats, right? No. They're relying on us. And if you actually look at who are the landlords in Germany, it's like 80–90% or something is owned by private people. It's not like we have like these real estate corporations that own entire Germany. It's not even close like that.
And even better, let's keep it that way, right? Most countries are companies who are owning most of the real estate. But here, let's keep it that way. Let's open that way also to people to invest into real estate. Why not?